Hi guys, welcome to Solishy'S Cuisine. Today is just a simple coconut cake, but before I continue, click on the subscribe button, like this video, share, and leave a comment below. Let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is to mix all the dried ingredients together except the sugar. Next, in the bowl, add the butter and sugar, mix until smooth. Add eggs bit by bit and mix. Next, add the coconut milk into the mixture. After everything is mixed, add the dry ingredients in 2 batches and mix until everything is well combined. So the texture should be like what you see after mixing, and then put in a baking pan. I will grease my baking pan with butter, but you can use oil, and put in a preheated oven. Bake for 50 minutes on 180 degrees. So guys, the cake is ready. Let it cool for a moment before taking it off the pan and slice or cut and serve. And you can have this with tea, you can have it for snacks, you can have it whenever you want to have it as dessert. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye bye.